Our next step will be beating the eggs. You want to do the eggs by themselves in a bowl so that you can beat them up nice and frothy without any other ingredients getting in the way. This recipe for pecan pie calls for 3 eggs. So you can usually crack them on either the side of the bowl or the side of the countertop without too much fuss. Make sure you don't hit the egg too hard on the edge because you don't want it to splatter all over the place, just like this one is trying to do. We have them in the bowl, and then I'm going to use the wooden spoon to break up the yolks and just start beating them to combine the yolks and the white. You want it so that you get a nice creamy yellow color instead of having the separate clear pale white part and the darker yolk. If you want to use a wire whisk, you can also use that as well, but I find that the wooden spoon works just as well.